So, good evening to everyone and welcome. I will do a very small 10 minutes or 15 minutes presentation on a subject. Please tell me whether my this one is visible. My presentation is visible.
Yes,
Is my
it is
screen
visible.
visible? Okay.
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Thank you. So it's a welcome to all of you on this particular session, which is on company law. Can others please mute your mic because it may be affecting others. Okay, fine. Now, when we discussed this particular subject, when we were discussing what we will do, then some of the earlier participants were looking why this subject for our Triple S series. Triple S means what I mean is stay sharp or stay smart and sharp series. That is what we thought. We will have to keep ourselves smart and sharp continuously. So it is actually a Triple S series. So why this subject? So on discussion, what are all the? I thought that there are so many people who are expert on the subject, and Mr. Vigneshavan will be taking over from me in a very short time. There are avenues for us. Us means I mean all the three institute professionals, and higher avenue is available on the Companies Act, on statutory law and all for CS. But then we can become independent. Can everybody please mute your mic, please? Please hold on. 1 second. I will try to mute the participants' mic because too much of noise is coming. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So our members, when I see professional friends, I'm not only talking of any particular this one. I'm not talking. So independent directorship, and we can do incorporation of company and matters is incidental. That too also we can do. And compliance e-filing, except as I was talking, statutory auditors, whatever the statutory and secretarial audit and secretarial annual returns, accepting that, I think we will be able to do. And DIN registration, e-KYC for directors, and MSME one form filling, off-yearly returns. These are all some of the things which came to my mind. I just put it. I was discussing with other friends, and then took their help in making this. So the idea is we have avenues, and we thought that this being a forum, an informal forum, where we can also discuss and then arrive at what are all the avenues and what we can do, and how we can improve our own selves, and then financially also we can gain. So that was the whole idea of having this particular stream today on the Companies Act and the company, company rule or whatever it is, company law we wanted to take up today. And this also will be a series of discussions. Today we are starting one, and our other experts also will join in subsequent sessions, I believe. So it will be very lively as we proceed. What I thought was, 1 second. What I thought was, why don't we have some playtime before we plunge into very serious activities? So I was thinking we'll do a small play, having a 10 multiple choice question, and then we can discuss. The first question comes here. The first question is minimum number of members in case of public company, A, B, C, D. So can we have the answer, please? This is just a warm-up for giving the mic to Mr. Vigneshwaran. We can discuss all the subjects. We can discuss all the subjects at the end also one more time for others to join who will be joining slightly late. Yeah, please go ahead.
D7.
B for Bombay or D for Delhi?
D for Delhi.
D for Delhi, public company. Okay, we will just leave it at it. Okay, right, wrong, we will discuss later. What about private company?
It's a 2, sir.
B2.
B for Bombay.
B for Bombay.
B2.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Maheshji. And what is the age limit of directors in case of public company? Because this is very important. Many of us still become independent directors. So that's why I just brought in the age business.
Directors. Sir, is it 65A?
Anyway, any other answer? I request Vigneshwaran not to answer because he is going to be the resource person. We will discuss this at the end. Once Vigneshwaran himself will discuss this, or others can also join. Okay, we will leave it at it. And the last one is, the fourth one is in case of private company. There must be an obvious answer for a private company. D. Thank you, Srikanji. D. And partners are of the firm, whether they are owners, employers, agents, none. What are they? Partners of a firm. Like many of you may be partners in your own firm. What are the people? Whether you are owner, employer, agent, none. What is that?
A.
A owners.
A owners. Okay. Thank you, Gupta ji. B. Shrikant. We will see whatever it is. Transfer of shares in case of public company is prohibited, restricted, freely transferable. None of this.
C. Freely transferable.
Freely transferable.
Gupta Garu, thank you. MCQ 7. Can Section 8 companies alter their objects class?
Yes.
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 Somebody says no. Somebody says yes. We will discuss it at the end again because this needs some discussion, as I understood. How many members should sign the MOA in case of a private company? I think MOA all of you must be knowing. So how many people have to sign this?
2.
2. Thank you. And is the conclusive evidence in case of public company that statutory requirements have complied with, whether it is only with certificate of incorporation or only certification of commencement of business, or whether it is both of the above or none of the above?
Both of the above.
C.
Both.
Both.
Both of the above. Thank you. Every company needs company secretary. So in the case of Section 8 companies, the same is the case. Do you agree with this statement?
No.
No.
No. Shrikant says no. Anybody wants to say yes also? We will discuss at the end. Experts are there. There are some caveat is there on this question. This is not a straight away black and white question. Anyway, so that's it. What I wanted to tell all of you is, all these programs, Vadivel was explaining, we have been doing 2 streams of programs, one on tool based, like we have done on Excel, data analytics and dashboard reporting. We have done about, say 12 days, 6 weekends we did. Then 4 weekends we did on PowerPoint. Then we did on Word. That was on the tool based. We came for futuristic programs like blockchain technology, then cloud computing, and then we wanted to go for business intelligence dashboards. So we just had a dashboard mechanism, MIS and all. So we were thinking that why don't we have these kind of programs also, so that generally the awareness also goes for all our members. That is, this is another stream which we started. We hope this stream also will go. And for all these things, we have a very, very solid, you can say, backup and solid support from Expo Innovative Business Solutions, who are basically a corporate trainers and management consultancy. They offer virtual CFO services. I have given the services and all, including the company registration and compliance, GST registration, income tax, bank finance, you can say IFS, ICFR, all those things, and audit. So I would like to certainly place on record my gratitude and thanks to Explore Innovative Business Solutions, the people behind it. And finally, I think all of you made this session very lively and meaningful. So I thank you for all the inputs that you have contributed. And thank you very much. I am stopping the sharing. So if anybody would like to have any particular thing before we go to the next segment, I would like to hear. I hope this 10 MCQ had some sort of a fun-filled, say 3-4 minutes, so that we were able to unwind ourselves and then get ready for the serious stuff. Any reflections on this? Anyone would like to say anything, please? Krishna Gupta Garu, I think you came and answered all questions. Thank you. Sir, we have got Madurai Chairman Chapter, Mr. Kumar Rajan, Seturajan Kumar Rajan is there. Sir, Vanakkam. Sir, good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Srinivasa Prasad. Venkatraman here.
Oh, Venkatraman, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for joining, sir. Nice to hear your voice, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Pleasure to hear you and pleasure to be in this session today.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And Kumar Rajan, sir, thank you very much for joining. And if we don't have much of a reflection, then I can go to the next section, please. Can I?
We'll proceed, sir.
Okay. Thank you.